What's good, everyone? I'm D.
And I'm Ara, and we
are
are Dar TV. But we're just on our way to MOA, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna go to IKEA to have dinner because we haven't had IKEA for a hot minute. We're gonna eat some Swedish meatballs. So we will see you guys when we get to the store. Yes.
Peace.
I already know what I want. Well, obviously, we want Swedish meatballs. Look at the rainbow cake. We're gonna order 2 plates of Swedish meatballs.
Regular price is $8.49, but today it's $4.24.
We came at the right time.
Absolutely still. That's why it's so busy. Quite busy here. An absolute deal. Alright.
We were supposed to go to MOA yesterday, but next night we got too caught up in watching a funny dating reality video, and it was so hilarious that we just kept watching it. Because I put in the wrong pin.
Raspberry lemon lingonberry.
Cookies with chocolate. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't realize it's that easy to prepare. Just buy the meatballs and buy this.
That's what I did.
I know what I'm gonna make for Thanksgiving. Meatballs. Swedish meatballs. They have the lingonberry sauce there as well. I have some from Whole Foods and they didn't taste that great. Pants, but I'm not too sure. Currently in the fitting room. Okay, first trial. Jean shorts. It looks really good. I think I'm gonna get it. Also, while we were ordering pretzels, we saw 2 of my friends, Jasmine and Christian. I literally messaged Christian this morning. So funny and weird. We've been seeing a lot of people that I know lately, and that just don't know how to keep up.
I can't lie, I don't recognise anyone.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I've just been feeling hella awkward.
Yeah.
I was just looking at them, and I didn't like smile or give them a handshake. And it felt so weird.
Yeah,
I apologise if you watch this. I'm not usually like this. I don't know what got into me.
Hello. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We are gonna go for a walk before we get some breakfast.
we get to watch beach volleyball. Ladies beach volleyball. Yeah!
So far, I lost 2 rounds. Dex is obviously winning the 3rd round. Whoa!
That's for you, my wife.
Woo! Next one is for you. Fine, this one is for you again.
She won the last game. Bing bang bong.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing bada boom. But I won overall.
At us, guys. I know we are always eating here, but we are at our favorite Vietnamese restaurant. Again for the 50th.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Mambo Boy and Cốc 𝐶𝐄𝐓.
Our favorite dishes.
So good, honestly. Look at that. I just tucked in.
Hello everybody. Let me just pause this YouTube. I am watching my sister's vlog because she lives in Seattle and obviously I gotta support my girlie, so I'm watching her vlog. But it is dinner time. I know Dex and I literally just had lunch, but him and I literally just spent the last couple of hours doing our own thing. He's been studying and then I've been just, obviously I have makeup on now. I was putting makeup on and doing some content. And today we are going to have tomato bacon fun. It is such an easy dish to make. I'm already boiling my water. I just need to slice up my bacon, which I think I'm gonna use all of the bacon. Cutting board. Gonna cut some tomatoes before cutting our meat. 3 Romas, but I feel like we only need 2, but I'll just add 3. Knife. Why did I hold that so weirdly? We're gonna cut 2 strips for us to eat for fun. These are the bacon that we're gonna snack on. They look hella crispy and they smell so good.
Because it's
Apple?
smoked
Cherry
with cherry
wood.
wood.
Cherry wood smoked.
Smoked with cherry wood.
Smell it.
It smells really good. Wow.
Well, you can't taste the fat at all. Like it just tastes
Juicy.
smoky.